So again, the reason why I'm here is not because I have to, it's just because I enjoy your company. I mean,
Aw.
um, Leon, you bringing up the card game and the board game and all that stuff, that's the kind of stuff that we do here, right? We have a good time and it's very memorable. And I think we're going to remember all these things for a long time. So I'm just here for your support. So whatever guys you need, maybe you can identify if there's any new people there. Make sure they get a shout out, and I'll be here just to assist with whatever you guys need on and off. But I'm here for you. All right. Have an awesome day, guys. Okay. Enjoy
Thank
yourself.
you. Thanks,
Thank
Rick.
you.
Have
Thank
fun.
you, Rick.
Have fun.
So, Leon, I don't know if you want to take the vote. Do we see anybody that's new there? Are you looking online to see if you can identify? Sal's usually the best at that.
Yeah, who's
I-
new?
I'm
Who's new?
trying. I can't remember if Sunil Gulia joined us before.
If you're
Sunil?
new, put your name in the chat.
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
that's the great way to do it.
If this is the first time that you're here, Catherine McPherson.
And what
Catherine,
about
do you want to introduce yourself?
Sure. Can everyone hear me?
Yes.
Hi, good morning. Catherine Mcclearson. I'm based out of Miami. I actually got my project management certification. I want to say it'll be a year next week. So I'm just really trying to get back into my fundamentals and understand not just the basics of project management, but also the different methodologies and everything that's out there, because I really want to spread my wings and kind of explore new opportunities and just keep understanding the method and everything. So thanks for having this. And that's it, really.
Yeah, welcome, Catherine. And we have Valerie Magoon. Did I say that right?
Yes, so I am en route from Chicago to Florida, and
You're going the right way at this time of year.
yes.
I'm in North Carolina, headed that
Where?
way, Hickory.
Oh, wow. Okay, so you need to buy some furniture.
No, thank you. I have plenty.
Just letting you know, that's the place to buy
I
furniture.
lived here once upon a time. I have plenty.
Okay.
But I am actually exploring opportunities on both coasts of Florida, and just finished my MBA, have been out of the project management game for a little bit and trying to brush up and get back in, and planning to get CAPM under my belt, hopefully in the next 2 to 3 weeks.
Oh, cool.
So,
Yeah, well, okay. So do folks know what Valerie just said? Do you want to explain what CAPM is?
oh, so it's the lower level of the PMI certifications for those who don't have recent experience with projects to be able to produce the work to go along with the other certification. So it's mostly studying.
Yep. So it's like a level down from PMP and the PMI.
Yes, exactly.
Yep. Well, Valerie, you're coming to the right place. So
Yay.
smart decision for you.
All
Go
right.
Chicago Winters.
Yes, I've had 9 months of winter is too much. I like to row and sail. It's a beautiful place to do it, but
No,
only for 3 or 4 months. So
yeah.
I'm excited. So thank you for having this.
Yep. You can't go wrong on either coast. And then Sunil, you have Sunil, you were here. Can you turn on your video?
Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, awesome people. Sunil Gulia here from Qatar, Middle East. And this is my first time in this awesome community. And I'm an Agile coach, professional Scrum trainer from scrum.org, and just giving my 2 cents in this area about Agile.
Cool. Welcome.
Very nice. Welcome. Welcome. So,
Thank you.
and
Thank you very much,
you're coming
everyone.
to us from Qatar?
Yes, I'm coming from Qatar.
Very nice. Very nice.
And sorry for today, I'm not using my video because
No,
I'm
that's
just
fine.
moving, walking around.
Yeah. No, that's fine. What time is it in Qatar right now?
This is, you can say 3:45 of evening.
Wow.
Got it. Okay,
Nice.
thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course, looking forward to learn a lot of things from you guys and sharing my bits.
Okay, very good, very good. So what Nilu put up right now is that we have kind of 4 sessions, four work groups, 4 breakout rooms, which we can go into and we can make a choice. We have Agile Basics, number 1. And the way we do things is that if you want, depending on which room you want to go into, which area, you just rename yourself and put the number in front of it. So if I wanted to go Agile Basics, I would rename my name and put 1 in front. Agile Advanced, so this is kind of intermediate advanced. We need to check in to see if we have enough folks for Agile in Spanish, Somos Agile. And then we have a product initiative with a group. We're actually going to be building a mobile app. So with going from discovery to delivery, so that's more of a longer term initiative. So does anybody not know how to change your name to put a number in front of it? Or do folks have questions?
There's also too, I think with the new version of Zoom, at the bottom, you can go into breakout rooms. Just click on that.
In some folks. Yep. For some folks may have it, some won't. Don't worry if you don't have it at the bottom.
So before we break out, let me quickly.
Yeah, sure.
Be honest, that's a second. So for the new people, again, we do this every Saturday. So please come join us. But we're also having Wednesday sessions. And Wednesday, if you can look at our website, hopefully Nelu will put the link there for you. And you can actually register. And I always like to put the price. I think we went up to, I think, $1,000 a year. What is our membership cost, Marcelo?
It's free as in beer.
Okay, so we have a free event. Okay, and we've been doing this for a long time now, giving back to the community. So just so you know, Wednesday session is going to be another interesting one. You got Julie Krieger, who's going to speak, and she's a coach who's actually has issues hearing. So she's really challenged through this remote work, right? And she's going to share some of her experience, some of the things you need to be alert for when you're working with people that have challenges. So I'm eager to really see her in action. And then the last one that I want to make sure we're always mentioning too, we have a really cool class coming up next weekend. It's called the COW, Certified Agile Leader. And we really have a good discount for people that are helping out and people that are here at our Saturday events. So if you're interested, please make sure you reach out to me. We're getting a pretty good group there. So we're probably just going to be able to get a few more people into that class. But again, it's a great start to learning and getting certified as a certified Agile leader. It's a one-day course. That's it from me. Leon, I'm passing the baton back to you, sir. You're muted.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Rick. Everybody wave bye to Rick.
Hi, Rick.
Bye, Rick.
Bye, Rick.
Bye, Rick. Get out of here.
Right?
Don't forget for Marcella's exercise. I gotta get my exercise going. I'm sorry. I gotta get my exercise going.
All right.
Bye, Rick.
No, be quiet, Rick. Just okay, yeah. If you quietly exercise, great. Saba. Saba, Marcella, what should we do?
Somebody, please.
Okay, so we're already it's almost 9 o'clock. So we're just gonna do something really quick.
Yeah.
Just sitting down. Let's start with the one arm hug. Oh God, sorry.
I'm gonna do my eyebrow.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
And you hold it for 1, 2, 3, and then swing your other arm over.
Yeah, the other one.
1.
Oh, my first one needed more.
This one is
That's
the one
very
that
normal.
needed it.
Very normal. Okay, so now we're gonna just switch, just twist it on your chair to one side.
There you go. One side.
Hold it.
One side.
One side fits all.
Marcelo, you're gonna have to send me any back stretching exercises.
And now switch to the other.
There you go.
God. Okay. And now we're just gonna put your arms up and reach for the sky. Reach for the sky.
Awesome.
That was it. Thank you.
Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everybody show their muscles now.
All right. So are we, does anybody have any questions about renaming your name in Zoom so that you can go to either Agile Basics, Agile Advanced, Somos Agile, Agile in Spanish, or the initiative? Any questions on that?
Whatever you guys want to do.
Yeah.
Totally cool.
And if you want to do some, and if you want some coaching, we can work that out.
Yeah. So let's pause on this for a minute. So if you, Art, you want to, the guy with the hat right there, Art?
Guy with the hat.
Guy with the hat.
Guy with the hat. Arthur, if you want to have free one-on-one coaching with the best coach here, go ahead and put Arthur with the hat in chat. Right, and we will set up a separate breakout room for Art to have one-on-one coaching with you. So this doesn't come along very often. So if you want to go ahead and put Arthur with the hat in the chat, and then we will connect with you. Art will connect with you. And Nelu, I guess can we have a separate room for Art?
Yes, definitely. There will be room number 5. That's it.
Room number 5. So put 5 in front of your name for Art, and then we will grab you. So Art will grab you selectively, only remotely, and then we'll have some session with usually about 15-minute sessions. So who wants to have one-on-one coaching with Art? Who wants to have one-on-one free coaching with Art? He's already been to Publix. He's already been to Publix.
Freeze and bear.
So he's good to go.
Right.
So
Marcel,
Andrea, you muted. Andrea wants to have a coaching session too.
Yes, I do. I appreciate it. Thank you. But would I be able to miss out on the initiative group, or I have to go on there?
It's okay. Go ahead. Take some time with Art. So Valerie would like some time with Art, and Andrea would like some time with Art. Art, you got those two?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Okay. So Nelu will get with Andrea and Valerie, and then who else wants to have one-on-one coaching with Art? Put it in the chat.
I actually wouldn't mind another 10 minutes. I know we kind of connected each other, so.
Okay, no problem.
And then what you can do is you can go back into the initiative.
Exactly.
Yeah, don't worry about it. It's fine.
You can change rooms if you have the Zoom thing updated. So.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So we're all going to go to our rooms. If you have questions, look for admin Nelu.
Yeah.
And Nelu, I just need to give him a guitar.
Can you put the link back in the chat? It's way at the top for us.
Sure. Don't worry about it.
Marcel, are you gonna make me break out my hat?
Yep.
All right.
Go get it.
Hold on.
I'll get a hat. Does everybody have to get a hat?
Nice.
I can do a virtual hat.
Marcelo looks cool.
Thank you.
Oh, look at this. All right to go. I love it.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody learned anything today.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Oh, okay.
Going back to Leon's earlier point, I don't know if the hat clashes with the shirt, but
Yeah, Leon's in Party City.
The definition of done leads to discipline. Does that mean you get like what type of discipline?
Whips, chains.
Art. You're not supposed to bring that here, Art.
That's for the after party. That's for the after party. We talk like that in the after party.
That's not the type of coaching they're looking for.
I thought this was Scrum Master, not BDSM Master. I'm sorry, I got it wrong.
Okay.
Oh my God, Al, look
I'm
at
gonna go on the
you.
record. This is a Saturday morning, not a Friday night.
Although if you stayed up Friday night, could be still Friday. All right, so if you could go to menti.com and put in 5573307 and let us know what you learned today.
I actually put that the definition of done. I intentionally just left the discipline. I left the behavior intentionally.
Very good,
That
Calvin.
actually leads to disciplined behavior.
Yeah,
That's what we learned today.
My team at work is doomed, but instead of abandoning ship, I should lead the ship.
Actually, yeah, so if someone put a good thing, Coach Art is God sent, we think Coach Art is God.
Blasphemy.
Well, I'm glad that one comment in the middle feels inspiration to make it happen.
Yeah.
Well, thanks to everybody for that.
More than abandoning ship, turn the ship around.
Exactly. And don't be afraid, because we talked about that today in our beginning session. Like I said, reach out to us. We're here to help. So you don't have to feel like you're doing it alone.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And just to be clear, Leon, it's Elohim Hayim. Just to be clear. Just to be clear. For those who are unfamiliar, it's the living God.
That God. Yep.
Oh.
And look at him. He's so modest. Look at him.
Oh, Art.
Yeah. You completely missed that one. Yeah.
So what retro template was shared?
Yeah, what are some of those retro games? Let's hear a couple of that.
Yeah.
But you guys, I can share the screen that we did
go
if you
ahead.
like.
Go ahead,
So just an intro on that, what we decided, because we were talking about different games that we could do as one of our topics. And I said, well, let's take the last 15 minutes of our session. Let's do a retro. And so we practice it.
Nailu, can you let it go so I can bring up the board?
Sure.
So the board that we use is a board that I started using to slowly get my team, since we're now remote, engaged and interactive.
Mm-hmm.
What are you guys seeing?
That's nice.
Oh, you're seeing the board? Because it doesn't even tell me that that's the
Yeah,
board
we see
share.
it.
We're seeing the
Okay.
board.
All right, because it doesn't have the little frame around it, so I couldn't tell.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so these are editable. You can change, what you put there. These were all, as you can see, piled up here. And if you look, it's Google. It's free.
Freezing Bear.
Freezing Bear.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Phones, okay.
Very much, yeah.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to record Marcelo saying Freezing Bear, and then I'm going to make it my ringtone.
Freezing Bear. Freezing Bear.
Okay.
So we even had some suggestions and some takeaways that Joe and I are going to work on for the next session. So this was really very, very helpful to get that quick feedback loop on the session. It did get away from us a little more intermediate than basic. So we're going to actually do better next time.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Okay.
This is awesome.
Thank you. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, it was a good learning tool that we used towards the end.
So what else happened in the basics group?
I'll let you guys talk about it.
Yep.
Hey, Luke, can
Yeah,
you share the
Catherine
Menti
and-
board again?
Yes, please.
Okay.
For those in the basics, feel free to share what you think.
Please.
I thought it was very informative. Again, because I'm very new to this, it was a lot of information that was above my head, but it was good information to have anyway, even because as I mentioned, there were keywords that I kept hearing. And I remember listening as I was training for my PMP. I was like, okay, wait, I remember this. I remember this. I remember this. And it was great information just to have. So definitely I'm very happy that I decided to wake up early on a Saturday morning to do this. And can't wait for the next one, honestly. And it was good to also get other people's perspective of what, you know, everybody is doing in other areas and other companies. So yeah, thanks.
For sure.
And then some of the topics we discussed is someone was transforming from a waterfall to agile in their company. So what's how to help that person. We also talked about best practices for reporting, for matrix, and also how to make different ceremonies fun.
Okay. And what's on? What do you have on your hat?
So I have a family member that's in the Navy. So this is where they were stationed in Pearl Harbor.
Wow.
Oh,
Awesome.
Awesome.
Wow, that's cool.
Thank you. Thank you to them.
All right. So what about intermediate advanced team? What happened there?
Why are you looking at me, Leon?
I would like to start. So this is Karen. What I learned, we had a really good conversation around how to break through Agile in a medical device environment. So what I learned there was the key is to have a definition of done. And the definition of done has to tie into traceability. And at the end of the day, we need to have objective evidence that goes back to the traceability due to the regulated environment requirements. So for this to all make sense, it should all be about, Marcelo, was it control of process or process of control? Which one is that? Yeah, so that's what we talked about.
Yeah.
Control process.
Control of process. Put the humans first.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If the humans don't go first, who goes first?
Yeah. So Marcelo also said something that really made sense to me because it also ties around a conversation I had yesterday with one of my team members, which was about the regulatory bodies. So many organizations tend to misinterpret what their standards actually mean. It's not that Agile is going against it. It's just how people get to interpret it. And most of the time, organizations tend to believe what someone interpreted to them as what the regulatory standards means, as opposed to what it actually means. Or, even the regulatory standards even needs improvement. So that was some of the conversation we had this morning.
Oh, very good.
Yes.
And did we didn't have Somos Agile this time, did we, or no?
No.
Okay. And then the initiative team, what did we do in the initiative, the mobile app team? What do we do?
Don't all rush to answer at the same time. Leon, what are you feeding them in that room, man?
I wore them out. They're really just kind of like wore out today.
Wow. Okay.
Wore out.
Next week, I got to bring the cafecito.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so mobile app team, what did we do? I'll try again.
They're all upset they didn't get their free iPhones this week.
Wow.
I want to hear where we're at with it. What's the status?
Oh,
That's
are
a
you
really good
management
question,
now?
Victoria.
I'm looking for the increment because I saw where it was last week. So
Wow.
what's next?
Victoria, less command and control.
We have a new product owner, everyone.
I just need to know where it's at.
Yeah, you got Rick's back.
Yeah, we were trying to reel them in on Tuesday, so yeah.
And by the way, for anyone, please call Treasure Island Security in Las Vegas. There's a strange man.
17
walking around the lobby.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. We had an anonymous call that you were like in the hallway.
That was in the hallway at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Yes.
Love it.
The only Spanish shortstop is Al Cabrera.
Oh, geez.
Oh, cool.
Okay,
Alexa.
Siri. Thank you.
Siri.
No, that was Alexa.
All right, so that's what we did.
So, Mike.
Amazon customer service. Use the Alexa.
Oh, that is
app to
Alexa.
connect your Alexa gadget. Open the Alexa app. Select devices.
Okay.
Alexa got jealous of Siri.
Has
She had to
anybody
jump in.
has anybody done Alexa to Alexa battles or Siri to Alexa battles?
Select
Oh
Alexa
yeah,
gadget
no,
you
that
want
sounds
to
fun.
pair.
Though.
So I've done that where
Alexa
you've gotten the
controls
Alexas to go in a loop. I have two Alexas, got like a two different Alexa devices, and I've gotten them to answer each other's questions.
Whoa.
And get them on a loop.
Yeah, it's scary. It's absolutely scary. Yeah. So I'm wondering, since as far as I know, it's his first time here. What fellow trainer Sunil thinks about this whole mayhem and hijinks that he's now subjected himself to. So welcome, Sunil. But
Thanks. Thank you very much for a warm welcome, and I'm enjoying the company conversations and connecting with you people.
Yeah. So everyone, Sunil's in Qatar, right? So he's coming from Qatar.
Long
And
ways
it's a
away.
beautiful place, load of desert, sands, and then sea around.
So yeah, kind of like the Florida Keys, Sunil. Kind of like the Florida Keys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. But thank you so much for coming. Please don't be a stranger.
Yes.
All right, so
Of course, I will not be. Sure. Trust me.
Good.
So now we are going into happy hour. So we are getting into happy hour.
And the
I thought
picture.
we were already in
And the
happy hour.
picture. Don't forget the picture. We have to
I thought
take
we
the
were already in
picture.
happy hour.
Is that a cigar you got there?
I can't do the picture.
Everybody turn your cameras on. Why can't you do the picture?
It is a cigar. Why, thank you very
Can do the
much.
pictures.
And for those who were wondering, yes, it is a Cohiba.
If we can have everybody's cameras on so Nelu can take a picture, we post it.
Yay. Andrea, we have a new member. Yay.
That's awesome.
Hi, Victoria.
Yep, she comes to visit every now and then. Hi, Victoria.
Okay, so I'm going to take the picture so everyone look happy or pleased. It will look nice on the picture. Just okay.
Shadow Man.
Yeah. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and picture. Yay! Okay, I got it.
Thank you.
Who's going to win the competition today?
Let's see. Just give me a minute and you'll find
You
out.
know, I won last time, so I'll let you guys.
Yeah.
Saba said that last time too, and she still won.
I was totally hands-on until like 4 people
Very
voted.
modest, Joe. Very modest. Sunil, so you know, for context, what happens is we post a post up on LinkedIn with everybody's picture, thanking everybody to come, and there's a contest to see who can do the first like and who can do the first comment. And it's actually become quite a thing now.
Wow, that's cool. That's cool.
Yeah, it's quite a thing now. You know, it's a rite of passage to be able to get first like.
Great. Yeah.
We think that there's been a little conspiracy lately between certain members of the
Collusion.
Collusion.
Yeah.
My God.
Yeah, a little collusion going on, but we won't.
Especially in
get
Miami.
kicked out
If
of the
there's anybody here from Miami, especially.
What is
Miami?
Ooh, Miami right here.
What is this hate, man? Where's the hate coming from?
That's
man?
not hate. I'm admiring it.
Oh,
it's admiration.
Come on, Andrew, represent.
I'm here from Miami.
Come on, come on, represent.
I'm here from Miami.
I'm not
Thank
sure
you for
if
the
I got
distraction,
the.
guys.
Yeah, thanks for the distraction.
Thank you for the distraction, guys.
Were you first?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Saba and Joe.
Yeah.
All part
Saba
of
and
the
Joe.
Third, I get there in time for to be third. So.
All part of the master plan.
Saba, you got there for me?
Huh?
Did you get there for me? Because
Right.
Hey, I let you go last time. So what's, all is fair in love and war, right?
I guess.
Yeah.